Hey mamas, I see you on your glow up journey, and yes, I'm proud of you, but I don't want you to feel like it takes a fortune to look good. So today I'm gonna show you how to slay your everyday makeup look with affordable products from the beauty supply store. That's right, the beauty supply store. So for my beautiful, busy, budget conscious mamas, let's get into the video and get cute without breaking the bank. Now, before we get into this video, I'm just going to tell you I'm not a professional, but before I do anything, I deep clean my face as well as properly moisturize. That's important. So, baby, please don't forget this step if you want your face to look flawless with these products. So, I like to start with my brows first, and I'm using the Ruby Kisses Gold Brow Eyebrow Pencil in the color Dark Brown. And y'all, I love this pencil because on one side it got the spoolie end, and the other side is the pencil as well as a sharpener to keep it sharp, and like you can get a long use out of this. So, yeah, my eyebrows are not shaped or arched, so I'm doing the best I can with what I got, and yeah, I'm gonna pull it all together. And I'm just gonna lightly outline my brow. I like to make it a little bit thicker because they're kind of on the thin side, but yeah, I just follow the line and then fill it in at the end and then come back in the beginning and just kind of spool it out so it can look natural. Since I know it look a little crazy, I like to do this whole little unibrow thing to go across just to make sure that they match and they're lined up perfectly, because I'm not really good at the brows, but I'm telling you, it's gonna be tea at the end. Just keep watching. And drop in the comments if y'all have a better technique when it comes to brows to kind of get them to match and look natural. And y'all, just to let y'all know, most of the products we're gonna be using on this video is from Kiss New York. This is like my OG brand. I started off with them and I'm still with them. Like, it's like I would never leave. We married. We go together. Real bad. But now I'm just gonna go in with Kiss New York's Hydrating and Grip Face Primer. This primer is super lightweight. It's not like a sticky icky primer. It's more like a gel cream. This primer keeps your skin so hydrated, and we definitely need hydration up on all these products that we about to pack on. And the real tea is that your makeup gonna last all day. Yeah, as a busy mom, I don't got time for no touch-ups. We need it to last. So now that we applied our primer, please let that dry in between at least 60 seconds, okay? We're going to go in with our Kiss New York BB Radiant Finish High Coverage Foundation, and we got the color Coconut. Yeah, and this is definitely an OG because I don't even think they sell this in stores anymore. I have the tester. I asked for the tester because I need it. And disclaimer, I know this makeup looks orange. Like, I know. I probably should have put some blue behind it, but I've been wearing it like this for so long, and the way I blend everything else, I promise you, it's not going to look like this. So please continue to watch the video. And all I'm doing is just patting this foundation in everywhere except for my under eye. But why as I watch this video back, I look like a pumpkin. I look like a whole orange, like a tangerine, bro. Like, come on now, get it together. Now I'm just playing, y'all. Keep watching. I promise you it's not gonna look like this. So we just finished patting all our foundation in. So now we're gonna go in with our Kiss New York's Full Coverage Concealer in the color Cool Toffee. The first thing I like to do is clean up these brows. So I just took one of my brushes and just tapped it a little bit lightly just to clean up our brows so it's not too highlighted, but just clean enough to where it don't look like I messed up, because you know I'm not perfect. Now sometimes I would use a foundation to go over the top part and then use the concealer at the bottom, but today I don't know, I just decided to use the concealer on both the top and the bottom. I made sure to blend out the concealer really good so there's no harsh lines around the brows. I don't like that. Next, we're going to take that same concealer and apply the concealer under your eye, up on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on the top of my lip, and on my chin. And honestly, I really don't have no special technique or whatnot. I just put stuff on there and make sure I blend it good. So we're just going to take a blender sponge and just blend everything out. I do like to wait like 60 seconds, but I feel like it depends on how bright you want your under eye. I'm going to go in with my Kiss New York's Full Coverage Concealer. Yes, I said concealer. In the color Cognac. And this is going to do my contour. I don't know. This has been my OG way of doing it. I've tried bronzers. I've tried cream bronzer. I have a whole bunch of stuff. But like this is, I don't know. I just like this concealer and I feel like it lasts long. So let's go ahead and set this concealer with this Kiss New York Matte Finishing Spray. This setting spray is also long lasting. It's oil free and temperature control. And I can say I'm really impressed by how long this lasts. Okay, boo, now that that's all blended out, we're moving right along with this look with the Kiss New York setting powder in the color Banana. You can never make me turn my back on the shade Banana, boo boo. This has gotten me through. Do you hear me? So we're gonna put that everywhere we put the concealer in the color Cool Toffee. Now, y'all don't have to forgive me because this one thing I did not get from the beauty supply store, but I got it from Dollar Tree, y'all, and it was $1.25 for this liquid blush. This is my all-time favorite liquid blush. It's so pigmented, like, it's beautiful. It's made by Oni in the color Rosette. Y'all, just look at how this blush blend out. And I used to be that girl that didn't like no rosy cheeks, but baby, rosy cheek me down. So now that our cheeks are cheeking, we're just gonna brush off our excess banana powder with a clean brush. So now we're going to go over our face with the Kiss New York's Matte Powder Foundation in the color Caramel. Girl, in my opinion, do not skip the powder. I feel like you cannot skip this, especially if you got oily skin like me. Applying powder is going to help control shine and absorb any oil that you accumulate throughout the day. So we're just going to go ahead and take our setting spray and set everything once again. This time we're going to put a lot. I'm talking about a lot. Don't be afraid. Now we're going to outline our lip using Ruby Kiss's lip liner in the color Jet Black. And then we're going to finish our lip off with this LA Color lip crayon in the color So Snatched. I also got this from Dollar Tree. Go ahead and apply our Beauty Supply clear lip gloss, of course. And baby, the finished look eats down. I spent less than $8 on everything that we used today in this video. You can't tell me you can't beat your face on a budget and still look like a baddie. Girl, please. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. And remember, mama, you got this.